Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and I just wanted to go over with you my next design team haul. I picked up these magnetic discs that are basic gray from the store. These are the small magnet ones. I like using these for flips and flaps. I picked up the copper penny Artisan metallic cardstock. It is thick. It is thick. And I like to use that for some matting and decorative elements. So I'm going to have fun with that. I picked up, of course, some of the score tape sheets. You'll see me using this on the album covers. And then I went ahead and picked up some of the Kraft lunch sack pieces of Artisan cardstock. This is 100-pound weight, so it is also very thick, and it's going to be really cool to do some, I think, some matting with this as well. So I'm looking forward to that. And then last, as far as the Artisan, is this antique gray linen. So this is really fabulous. And I think you might agree that with this paper collection that I picked up in the 8x8 size, this is the Chaps collection, exclusively available at Country Craft Creation. And I am thinking that this is going to go so well together with both that copper penny and that Kraft cardstock. So look at that. That is just gorgeous. So let me go ahead and show you these fun papers. You can see from this cover sheet that you get all these different pieces, and then you get all of the ephemera pieces. So there's the minis. So I'd like to remind you to go ahead and go ahead and cut those out as well and use those. Do your fussy cutting there. But here is the ephemera pieces. So let me give you a look at that. All different types of manly things, I guess. So gas pumps. I think it's a bit retro though. I love it. I just love it. And then on the back side are all the gears. I think that's super cool. That beautiful royal blue color is shining through right there. So that is the ephemera. And then you have the cut aparts and the border strips. So really, really neat. Just loving that. Let me see. This one's a little dark to see, but it's, there you go. Okay. You got the golfing, you got the pipes, and you got the cars. And then on the back side, you have the metal, I don't even know what you call that, but that's the metal, right? Okay, and then let's go through the sheets. So you get 3 sheets of each one. So this is the back side. It's the B side, but I just love these B sides. So, and look at that motorcycle. Isn't that cool? Loving that. Loving that. Then you have for your bourbon and cigar lovers, you have this one in that blue color. It really shines through. Let me see if I can get the light better on there. Okay, and then the back of it is gorgeous. The gold that's coming through in there, the copper that's coming through there. There's a little bit of specks of yellow picking up on those cigar leaves. And this is great. Okay, then we have the other sheet that is just the old gas pumps, and I think that is super cool. Look at this, Route 66, Harley Davidson. So cool. And then you have the rust. Look at the patina that's coming through on that one. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's move on. We got Homer's gas station. Isn't that sweet? You got those Beetlebug cars. And then on the back side of that one is the tire tread. Then you have all your tools. That is really cool. The back side of that one, you have this grid. Loving the blue that's in this collection. Okay, and then you have all your Beatles. It's gonna be fun. Wouldn't that be cool for a birthday card? And then you have the back side of that one, which this is the B side. So really cool, the different little trinkets. And then you have the pipes. And Reminds you of under the sea kind of thing. And you have the plaid that goes along with it. So pretty. Okay. And then last but not least, you have the golf. Outdoor golf. So this is really cool. And then you have this look on the B side. Fantastic. Really looking forward to using this paper collection. I've had my eye on it for a little while it was being prepared at the printers, but I am super excited to use it. Can't wait to get started, and I will yap at you later, but until next time, everyone, happy crafting, you all. Bye.